Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you've encountered low volume issue on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, use your volume keys to adjust your volume level, and by tapping the three dots icon at the bar at the top of your soundbar, you can select which sounds you want to enhance on your smartphone, and also make sure that your device isn't in silent mode and doesn't have DND mode enabled. Also, make sure that your sound isn't getting rerouted to the Bluetooth device, so swipe down the quick settings menu and make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled. Besides, try cleaning your device's speaker or headphone port using a soft brush. Do not insert any metallic tools into your earpiece nor into your speaker grill. Just carefully wipe them with, clean them with a soft brush. And if this isn't helping you with your issue, first you can try restarting your phone by short pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, selecting reboot. And if a simple restart doesn't help you, then maybe some third-party application or some background activity is rerouting your sound. And to check if it's true, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume up key at the same time. So wipe down to reboot. Then wait until you see the Xiaomi logo on your screen, and once you start to see it, wait for about 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds actually, and after 3 to 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until the following till your phone screen changes to the following logo and slightly vibrates. Then you can release the volume down key and wait until your phone is launched. Now try checking the sound volume once again, and in case your sound volume has improved, go to your settings, go to search for permissions, open permissions in security, and check your music and audio. Check which applications have access to your music and audio, and if you see some unknown application here, try to restrict audio usage for it by selecting don't allow next to it. And otherwise, restart your phone back into the normal mode and try to update software on your smartphone, which I will show you and I will show you how to do that in a couple of seconds. Okay, and after to update your software, go to your About Phone menu in Settings, select Xiaomi HyperOS and check if you have any updates available for your smartphone. And if you do have them, download and install the most recent update, and maybe it will also fix your low volume issue. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.